In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a payment method from Google Ads. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Google Ads website. Once the page loads, sign in to your Google Ads account using your usual login details. After signing in, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct Google Ads account, especially if you manage more than one. This is important because billing settings are specific to each account, and you want to avoid making changes in the wrong place. Next, wait for the Google Ads dashboard to fully load. It's a good idea to let everything finish loading before clicking around, so all menus and billing options appear properly. Once you're on the dashboard, click on Tools and Settings, or open the main menu depending on the version of Google Ads you see on your screen. Google occasionally updates the layout, so don't worry if it looks slightly different. The key is to find the billing-related settings. From there, select Billing from the available menu options. After entering the billing area, click on Payment Methods under the Billing section. This will take you to the page where all saved payment methods for that Google Ads account are listed. Spend a moment reviewing the list carefully so you can identify the exact payment method you want to remove. Once you've found the correct payment method, look for the Remove or Delete option next to it and click it. In some cases, this option may appear as an icon or within a small menu, so check closely if you don't see it right away. After clicking, Google Ads will usually display a confirmation prompt. Confirm the removal to proceed. This step helps prevent accidental changes, so make sure you're removing the correct method before approving it. After that, wait a few moments for Google Ads to update your billing settings. Depending on your connection speed and the platform response time, this may take a few seconds. When the page refreshes or finishes updating, verify that the payment method no longer appears in your payment methods list. That final check confirms the removal was successful. If the method is still showing, give the page a quick refresh and check again. Also keep in mind that some payment methods may not be removable in certain situations, such as when they are tied to active billing requirements. And that's it. You've successfully gone through the process of removing a payment method from Google Ads. Thanks for watching.